papa.
Yeah.
And Emsa Onimbo. All right, okay. Professor Oliver who be femana. Happy birthday. Aye. And Esther Bennywood. Hey, David. See how I worry. It's a friend of Mrs. Esther Ban. I say Canada or Canada. Now, Esther Yama Bakain. Nia Messre Aman and Miss Radin Shrano Kuse. She say, me why ain't Shrama mini ebusiano papa. Say because I make ye. And this year, she said, so be a dear my ye. Ochnebino. I should be bound for so I think that last Friday, somebody once said, Obi Bekan said, and Tiakosia once said, Obi Battle and Chair say, Sapa Peneto, Yamiadom, Michelle Yinti, or no so, actually made door, actually near Nomunketua door, Chese, near Rabani Yeno, a Brumadin Tiasia Sunti, and ne any birthday, a star, bar, and have any wood near baby. Mr. Radish Ramau, be a wee bia on no wow, Uniwukno ma. Oh, I mean, Shramo, papa, enjoy your day to the fullest. Auntie Esther, happy birthday. Wafy, me ho, if you yami ye ho, yamia sem, yamepe, ubia say happy birthday. Yami Shramo.
Subaya ye dead lady. Abraya quite a baby strashe, and I am afofo maso na yebisa ye ho sa adenti na ehu hia yes ye hu hia if you say e yemfi nsofwe mu eboma obinya positive impression when you so
okay
and a show respect for culture see men come mu bebre
okay
and I bad do's and don'ts make I say who to coin now or luggage no luggage tag and as a card a woman aya failure fail blank space no ne dane
no adane no
bon ye ni aye to kwan yo ye wo enye se ye ni to kwan ye ni aye wo airport na ye obi a na to kwan obi wo ho o hwehwe loophole nti once o oni say we to kwan a wo airport no we nya information e bia kwan na onko baby a all kron nti wo nya information wa ma signal so wa so mesi o te ha no o to kwan say ni fie da ho nti abra wo ko wa kwento no obi so nya information a o ko fie to show your failure yen flip card no na yen drop please turn over and PTO na se obi nsa so ma na with me e dey luggage na yera or their brain na make us say yen bags no ya man yen seats na e ben no so there's also can say phone calls ma details ye the say ye to kwan e bia ye dofu bi enye say boapayo but yakuma fan the man information e be a step of the way medru ha ye be yesi betima about the top fan medru ha nyame adom medu fia mefro and medu me hotel a mefro and I can say inchia yin chia yes and so can say in playing in space yet not playing ma train also no you should mu crack say it carry more bacteria than average public toilet into yen cleaning in space and I can say yes I cried the old ben no a best signal to say ye clean like it's me crying can say you out na window side apart so men pray on and now because we take it in so cry also documents traveling documents no I was into men pray on say obekotena cause open view no obi crime so obi friend obi say na so person na ho pictures na you can so you can communicate with the also one
na why
we are not sorry cause on so be an on so be person the be na de we are not sorry na wa kwhwe and you can say men recline no seats
men bu akonya ne nko
e the dem ultimate recline there but she limit abeko men yema obi ot which you know and feel uncomfortable Yeah, can say my brother what's not playing more. She say exit points for him. Hostess never a church or so we drop it nose max drop it for oxygen in your mano. Patrol, no matter how many times I watch travel, no, still listen to them. Next share out for exit point. And I say, to the end, no way you'll be in beside. You say you have 90 seconds. So wait to charge one. Into patrol, take notice of those things. Yeah, I say hydrating because I brought walk strong.
Humidity.
Esote into patrol. And ye cafe asem and ye soda asem ye nsuo because wapomodin so ehun hia yes also ka say cabin walls and asset trees no enye footrest abra ne be yin mpabo abra 190 ati mu fifiri o probe hwe ono so a ye cabin ni mu fi ti pacho ye mpabo na ya ye nhye we shouldn't walk barefooted and my rest ye 9 wall trees ne armrest no so and I by ye ka say me uhia bibi wo attendant ho a pacho ya me realm omo call button no ho ubitimi mia and as all trainer ni to we ni ma what signal
yes I see who as me say now the sabon there bi o
what as so as where do you mu so as
ma me tie fo hu say ya ye tro ne uba ne ade deda e na nti sa fe we ni first time I would tie travel tickets na ye liberty ye hu to
ye do we
ye do we because ye call World Cup ye nyina ye call World Cup
and say ebia dede ana bibi o person ye calm na wo tie onyoma using the headphones and na earpiece apacho aba hu say obi approach you no e no kasa no bomondia yi fi waso and try say yakase mo bi amprobi into one premier me so me pro but who so be air try so no be communicate here you o headphones no na pacho bomondia research ehun baby a walk or weather condition even as preferably no ubetimi a trousers sena to the heading na so hu ye ha udwane ana bibi a ubetimi ana say
amazi bit said the mashe
ana say bibi kure ko tu na ho a wona ho ye covered but say wo gidi enche wo san pa choche shede hu be to but also fat two things say bibi to a the ocean ubetimi de dwane ana and I can say no monster because unam like 8,000 feet above sea level. Effectively, he was so about so
grounds
are a different times two. Say be a worker so me no 1 thought and membo. But who do we ma 1 thought better than 2 thoughts on one a bebo. Go for fear go mo. And yet a motion sickness be a wow. Patrol you who say yeah no abra ye be
and now be beside na almost every open many days and yeah manata say we dey shop bag because they be almost just show we see from our one
and abra wo plane say be a unam out no so na it's all do bag to top patrol ya free out nim we this week day.
Oh, okay. I maybe into who run out the bag. All right. Okay.
Patraya mo free out means na kwen mu say me de me bag to ansana ma me seat nenim.
Oh, okay.
Nti yen
sha boss be nti na no menye den.
Nti unya re ma ra u seat nenim.
Okay.
The fact to top.
Okay.
Because I feel na fufuro if you we chiba and cause traffic. Traffic lights in ho.
And yes, I didn't say was a trainer so almost saying I'm already at Toho. Because say sometimes no, a quite now more fast baby abegina ebie shuru ho de ahye ho no. E quite na ma no mo fa no. Nti na maintenance main train say ho free a.
Obia settle now they are to top. And I say obegina wo sit enim. Now they are to top. Na mo menjina kwemu abrankofo e wo wechi. Sa so na wo twi wo bag e kwa. E advisable so obetwi wo weni.
Wenim
menchi wuchi
okay
bia wuchi wuchi obi tina ho na apem no wu hu enkoka sorry enchu mi akọ
okay
nti advisable say
nti mienu new ones too are with their baby. Second one is a wood chew bag at you when him men
Epimobia we need here. Oh, me sorry man shedder. Now I call baby. But wood chew with here we need to win him. And I would chew with you. Into Epimobia. Jabia Ebian only I so any akuma. Nanny, as we whom when you free now also I often do any day be oh dear.
Sometimes simple bags be why to me. Eddie sin tennis are chew in chain so any abund and no dear Westy form no wait to me and but a wound who plain na Westy form I mean move see from a mobile December here and only I mean chew a meaning chew a
Pimobia with me
now wait to me
apacho because one shedder and I what's nasi and as a war sorry I try a mamufa Monai ba out ni mwansa. What the what's na say mami de kan what's na say what's na say you nine ba out ni. Making sure say nine inside.
Okay.
Now going to me one trip you be a man and
to form. Okay.
Sasuna. Oh sorry and tell na yeah. Yen she she and sana yeah sorry.
Oh,
Obi oh sorry ya.
Now we see when him no apim obi ampa.
Yeah it's na say two things. Yeah say what. Yen fire nine in free quine.
Okay.
It's now.
Especially your mom would
no impashine. Sasuna yeah sorry ya.
Yen she chi.
And sana yeah sorry. Na a aboyen. This week I send be a trendy pan say Canada.
Okay.
And our trendy come out. Won't say we are checking now. Sa a tag na the ball bag. Ye mupi ye minka say ye busa tag.
Okay.
But Edim Kofupi akodio.
Wow.
Reason being that won't say ut me why a sticker out me why now was santary. Na corrupt people be a muye juma or airport. Omude Andrew Bonnet. Until say Obi official be who star bag with the tag I say a court checking.
Yes.
Until Obi to me why no they are caught Terry a Drew Bonnet Diano. Na Obi any boss or Obi who say a court through process.
Yeah.
Until
information
also. It is a buying answer suma. Who natural. Until I think last time no be could them 7 years.
Okay.
And son of Muyen should
say no crown or yeah. Oh,
because then DNA any who dear. But drug laws knows a mechanism or more tax location tax into more money baby I didn't drew.
Yeah.
And I'm ha. Also I who saw no. Inti who say ubagi ni taga. You have to report it.
Busumi wa mwadi na kupon tina ni munchiro. Wadi tutua namo NCA. Onfa nyomtuo ensa otechere maso na awrade nyankopon emfa sedie ense wafnum awrade ma umama sonya ding ensene watamfo awrade nyankopon tutu anamon ensie awrade ma wachi dompem awrade nyankopon jeju tata fa nkotu ba bi onu awrade asafu yehowa onu ahye so de ukọ shall come to a brabo so yase boni nkan no how men to madai opim beto benkum opidu beto nifa edi nkan wote wo de wani wana ade be hwe no ho de bonye fo akatua awrade ani mutie entoso awrade nhira entoso awrade abaso bo enye wabotre awrade nya wo chem awrade nya okatabo awrade nya otipejafo awrade nya otemgyinafo awrade nya orechichefo pa na de bia wa hwere awrade mfantomo bosumi wemu awrade ma onsere wate awrade ma wadansidie awrade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa mo acheche ore o Kristo Yesu dimo any
recap and na exam kakra into so party light mental hey me see obi ka kire me say ono mental ye bo mental pe no adwane akote obi o dem hasisi ameka se mike we dwasre mu and into the yen na ye wa ha ye sia ne kakra no nyese binim da bi o bisu mi sua enti ne ya makohwehwe na me de aba me kire nyina no na e ka mitirim enti usu wotia yusu na kire obi Nenka utirimu I enti and then a freestyle Friday baby yeah the befa enti Tom Kuchu say enter say Sompa light o'clock and no now what's ria ma kwada na nyina tuko hey and I know a deliverance there the other and it was have a dear. Like I said, we will be going over words now, and then say beautiful lines now. In the course of the week, not producer say, oh, yes, somebody once said, into a necessary dasso. And that's so, Uba. So we tear some programs in na into Uba. Apam once said, and Tiakosia once said, Professor Bochi once said, Abake once said. Ohinere once said, Chese obi adiyan ka bi asafo once said. Wo de so officer wo ka ma pamfo aye ba hakra omu once said aka. E na enra na make no say. Uncle Fred once said, and as a Reverend Isi once said, and as Auntie Melissa once said. No abodi na ko enti. And then no NJ Nkwana yet not see any other Alexa Company Limited as producers of Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, almost Yasenepa, any in Yumekua Kenya, yet domasi. Now, will freck line service line, dear, and we hear me pa, Mr. Monfre, Monfre, enquiries be our more war, be our person, but any old birthday crab in our person with the background, oh dear. Fabrana, your best say. You may be now, ye program be up see a bohun de ruka cram or crab, bra, nafa bra. I mean, my number than nafa to hold that. A humbe here, Michelle come, we here be a humbe here. A 0531 886 216 client service line 0531 886 216. I na bibia u here efa Sompa akra humbiano, uba now be bisa. Yebe ma umwaye fe ofa jali
Mami ye
na me pe ye enti dere ko bibia boko dere dia se juma ko ye no to be ana afa ko still
afa me consent I just say that be ano
I was there for me so mo go Facebook na mo go ready across Sompa 106.5 FM Accra bobo de ko na koshe de yakose ne na say yellow bi wo system nim ni ade ni designs bi ni ade adwa o say de ni nya Sompa ye de jacket yapa anyway na mpombo ho de
oh eno na me hwe so be bisa mi o ya adum didie
eni patapa
sete chema dabo due na mo ga bi funsa ni we mo papa no
papa no
ma selection aka
papa no
sa papa no papa
dia say ani obi amo
wan hwe eboni so ni endi me say ketua eni owu ka hwe mpa nke ni se edu fie ana ni se dapo e sorry na nso wan hwe eboni so eni no ama de party yen na etime ke kan ho a chese
na asidan kuto Miss Lady Jina enyumo didi kai asida ne emse no na odi chance e ho enyum gidigidi bi da Jina painting ene asida ba me sister asida ba because I was say minya asida ne
next time we am
asida na me gas asida o si Jina painting ba Jina painting so ye hu sa I was saying there be saying him I was saying Jina painting abribia enti ene na freestyle Friday say wonim Friday ne de oh ye na etie for na see ehwibo man ehwibo o se ne efrifa anambo asida enyo no a emisa enti Fridays ne de munim say ye na etie for na ehwibo enti ya ye ready me say just one day I crado na do and now be was all can where you once said enye sa pa was all can it was all body
did they do papa
do papa it was all can Auntie Matilda so me tin in catche enti Auntie Matilda what me nka ma feel pa me tin on catche
Martha's way
oh Martha yoba Martha ba hey Martha this one just one day now omuye you.
I mean I know I can't say no more no behind the program.
Anyway, and I mean we're glad that listeners omu joining ya bibia ye guidelines ni gum. It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean sure omu show omu nyume nyina omu koso nye sikanto data ne bia no.
Omu timi ti omu live go ne bibia de omu say radio.
Hey, what kind me? And me who Clemento Suarez ne clip bi. Em say old one bi ohun. And na oni school ni bi na gina ho. For Clemento Suarez nyina ye nim no ye bre ya o ye comedy na omugina ho na o ka che girl ne say obusa girl ne say ye friend is saying and a girl ne say ye friend diamonds that any diamonds and I say eh na na ye friend diamond and I say ni papa de enuoma ontumi nto edi ne to no like ade a ontumi nye
okay
enu no di no de to no if Clemento Suarez anu a hey, any other radiasi said not ni papa, only girl ni papa no. No nim ni papa. And no Clemento Suarez don't care be friend no. Light bill, water bill,
hey.
3 square meal. So what you say? What you say? What see be friend just I say new man ni papa into me nye. And the girl ni say new man ni papa into me nye din ye the two.
And also ni papa.
And also say ni papa enim ni papa at the time any enko no Clemento Suarez no and ke be friend light bill near friend no
Clemento papa that's why
no your friend no 3 square meal
no your provided 3 square meal
sa
Clemento
me who so be here no friend me Mr. Okona ko tie Sompa 106.5 FM why all right and to be say me who ya me sri just said papa no on to be to line on to be to water on to me provided 3 square meal tin ko nim girl ne papa na at the time now no so de and you want to me nya na to ne mana
enu bi no nya yo Clemento akwada was
why anyway it started with a me produce episode all night
Eboko
I was afraid I didn't miss a Facebook or Mumbo didn't go Facebook.
And I just mobile and drive
near Coviano. Oh, Moko said, no, yeah, there to be a father is not easy.
Yes, but
and Father's Day, baby, and a papa for almost a gina pie, yeah, I almost said any day, 10 beer was here bomb pie momo. Even who will be quite on Yana said the about the bomb man because it's actually to me, but because some men do well, they do really well, and a radin costume shira mema. Oh, to say for example, I just say, then I pin so amount. And see, Mr. Young recap of words I the bar this week, no.
Okay.
Because ye be lines now, it's here for a moment, Abeka no be. And no be after break. Enti ye break ne ye koton ade ba. Yeah. Enti Monday okay weather me de ba no.
Okay. One of the days I'm saying I'm in your boy. But me 3 words ana me wa hade.
Okay.
Ekurami.
Okay.
So be san ba ko
di. Enti kan am de ba ko be kan because 4. Enti no the 3 na e ba there for 3 ne bra.
Coagulate.
Coagulate just we decide say wo mie wa no kra no waka.
But I say my chem the way e kan no.
Pacho I watch it.
Coagulate. Coagulation.
Na use na yen share because we got
as a trying to say when there is a change from liquid to solid states and I can say
okay coagulate so that process no
yeah that process no for me can my friend is saying so you soon
and afro why afro this your na ni anwa na da no coagulate still not coagulate okay
and the next word is so I say media I say fantidi
sir
Benesi
okay pam Benesi oh right and I can say you bet to me cry the ayedi which is true okay it's Benesi no
oh and it's simply blessing or benediction.
Okay.
Let's have a benediction.
Okay.
So,
okay.
I get any?
Okay, let's have the benedictions.
Hey,
I said it here for.
Yeah.
All right, and then you over me.
Ah, me know it's my set apart. Me know go.
I
do anyone a Patrick so I'm between and me know 101.
And then Michelle Pam me catch this all beba. Oh, see you.
Okay, I can say I can train man.
My friend into your TV camera.
Apam so ti en kan mesrew tutu mi ka me
because
baby awo
apam once and there was so big JB go over me.
Mini baby awo apam tumika na bra this ya me pese me ball reduce mini baby awo me da see.
It's a third one.
Third one so every day benign.
Oh,
benign. Just say the pronunciation here me dey.
Yeah, and then the spelling is so
spelling meaning no so.
Yeah.
Gentleness and gentle, kind, calm, you know. Enti we dey we ankasa no. Unkasa why ade.
Oh nya botre. Unka wa 7 nwie enti me.
Makewi.
And then they say for mumra me na yen kan che na yen pene ne. Hey. Why ade?
Ada obi nya me na me meteme pega. Adua baby a obia ya chiao. Me na mini.
Na waka wasa wada be nya na be hu. Eni waka ba ko ntimi fa ka na be se ka wie.
Me wie ntimi fa ka.
Okay.
Some me can say 3 because one of the days na mini.
Okay. That wa how. Okay, ma me can we be susceptible. Now, okay.
I was out in baby.
Na ya wie. Okay. Any susceptible.
That was Monday.
Yeah, Monday.
Yeah.
And I'm can say prone to. Yes. Prone to, and I gives rise to. Anyway, enti the other they call hono na menka so why there more.
O me wie say we ka.
Where wie?
Obe kan bibia say my ade no me wiem fancy ya. Me you see in communication say when the applause are high.
You bow when the applause are high.
Enti samre ya o ma me fancy unka say me ka bibi kan me ka bibia kan honda me kana say ko say de my na me ndey. Enti ma me nyansa. Demedia.
Professor OJ, we the answer. Anyway, few words neboa. Enti no. Yeah, funny sir. Internet here for me producer ya there. Waka 3 ni nyina. But also ba obetumi aka ne aka na. Of course, words for this week into you can always say it, you can use it. Nasa wokai. Nasa wokai old ones ni bi so a mayenko. Now I want to just give a recap of some of the old ones na ya no bi wo ho nti me kan me be ya o test na wa ma meaning no ene wo be hu wa
oh so ade so na ma treasure me wi na so me bisa
ene so wa nya ka o se me no wunya time a wunya o horo na wo ye
yes have 90 there now okay there you on sabe ka then now okay
all right enti Fabbing.
Fabbing as I'm doing my phone now.
Okay.
Yes, I'm
fidgeting
with the phone.
Yes. Not why ignore environment. Exactly. Fabbing. Okay.
Don't lose your attention of any other thing.
Or the big can home. Yo.
Oh no, I didn't know they say.
I've been. All right. Circumlocution.
Friend saying.
Beating about the bush.
Yes, beating about the bush.
So what can't no going round.
You are being secular in your speech. You are being secular, cute in your speech.
Hey, I 70. Miss me penny menya.
When your sister, some guys are doing.
Okay. All right, Auntie Waterloo.
Oh. Waterloo, say opposite of watershed.
Okay, you.
Are you getting it?
I'm getting it. Enti circumstance be a ball from Waterloo like point of failure be a just say o refer to it our name say dear we dey na me to form wo ho. Yeah.
To me how watershed. If I come away because my kind of account.
But okay, watershed na go.
Oh, my kind of account who the count.
Now see the watershed.
You see, so it's
watershed turning point.
Yes. A successful point.
turning point.
You
bet me they say
like,
a
blessing.
Bibi shrum be bow brabo.
And I'm say upsi to water.
Me patroi, Madiatum. Etie for crab body.
I just say wow boss and so
Where Johnny, oh,
Johnny answer say what can now what you are me bow.
Hey, you're right.
Make me pay my bow.
All right, Marty. Auntie Sorrel. And that's Sorrel. I am going to Sorrel. So SURREAL. Some kaya you know. That means you na me huchire me abampa. I say bibi I said Dyson. I mean the example I am was COVID time no. Usi tawa enka city I so busy no. Suddenly bibi eni ho ntu gina ho kra ye o say and encheda nye real na dey hen no surreal. Okay. Enti elucidate. So we cheche mu ya ka say sisi anoma yenka explain further ne ade yen sesem yeah you no ya ka elucidate enti no please elucidate your point. I didn't quite get it. Enti elucidate no so ye cheche mu only be say hiatus man trying can make points but yes one of the old
so who chill am bem
mpacho me ho a me bra
na ma bem say hiatus fashion
why are there
but just a brief break
why are there e from one say man why
so me can be I said there undi ni bisa me so there
me Judy Pao
what the full free man ferry me who chill why
Mama ferry home yo mate inti quasi Minko. Mimi won't go now, okay, inti quasi I to say say similar.
Literally quasi
trying.
So me catch you say
me who chiri me abeboa me mate.
You are like a lion. You are not a lion. You are like
inti quasi government, quasi medical. Quasi scientific. Inti I to say but yes sir.
Literally device I'm saying friend similar.
Mpacho you mate. Emblematic.
I mean wow and I'll
mpacho boa me.
A symbol emblem. You see a Jinahoma say Jinahoma representing something.
And then Meshia. It's if a moment said man mammy went pacho. Encapsulate.
Okay.
Miminko.
Me who chile me bow.
No cry
sister, me name Pabonio. Why?
Encapsulate. See, I can boom. A couple of things.
Yes. Grouping together, putting together.
And now, boy, me no. Encapsulate matter. And no, sad topic way. Encapsulate ABCD. And that's a segment way. Encapsulate vocabs corner. A motivation. Say. Okay. Into yeke can boom matter.
Pieces of ideas, pieces of items.
Me patroi.
Put together.
Me patroi. Yate. Engender. Minko.
Feel free.
Feel free. Engender. Way not more of giving rise to. Okay. To say be youth for baby and a nyoma be a so engender give you rise to something. Be Bibi give you rise to peer pressure. Maybe social media and adverts on social media. It give you rise and gender. Peer pressure. You do something I want you ready. So internet give you rise to. It give you rise to engender. Okay, illegible. Me feel free. Okay, Mate. Bibi a won to mean kind. And no pono just one day that no the be sentence or say ne ban the homework be fear just one day the obo what been to or say ne ban the homework be fear she say I only be for me sentence na in Troeno na ye illegible and which is true into no true be na ye po ye ka said doctors usually omo ye prescription ma wa illegible but omo no to me
come different doctor be reading simple na pharmacy
sa omo no muti omo kasa ase na ye nti ase nti ne sa bi na wo hwe no illegible okay what I shared there wadaroma why did that
me pede we awu bua no wadaroma
many day next word I mean what is svelte so I win him svelte
now show me you person me bua
okay person bua me
this is na can be a slim things slim lady that be can say me say blema kasa svelte just na joy svelte lady
Oko Facebook I'll be who abrant here yo anything all here studio
so 1413 na me train English
oh 1413 I cry sana Uncle Fred cry ba hu
how's that the first here there with date pa so ba na me tell me say menya anointing ni Uncle Fred me chia
but ain't it svelte obi slim fair you know I did describe it until I draw with your head Akimbo
member
Boami mpacho
can person me train out chinga
oh dear Boami
okay a friend saying if you are saying member fan say o dress kra your tie now tie chiaka kra your tie
your tie is in Akimbo State
yes I just Akimbo State College
okay mama wow because Akimbo and who won church is here and any ba could be ya sent mama nche Akimbo
you are standing in Akimbo
utai be express atura
okay
and I cut one post enti cut one post ani Akimbo ne say
Akimbo
you are standing Akimbo nti o jina ho na do nsesi usisi sana aha boy etiefo yeshia enti Akimbo ne wujina ho de won nsesi usisi no no we sugar ya ka say wo sugar say na wo sugar no ne brof no ye Akimbo you are standing Akimbo okay nti mama nko say na wo de sa tie description by mama nko cut one post
and person me wie o me wie
enti I say wo de right o de be a picture frame abo wall ho na achia aye diagonal sa no akati one post and now po say wo dem po we etu why basa we betumi so cut one post CATTY WAMPUS
any mo mo tutu mo shirt ma mo ye mistake no
no say no and na make no say e basa dressing na yetumi de ne ko share sprezzatura ase because sprezzatura into the tape for me next word so sprezzatura
okay
and no I say bibia enye correct but why ama e looking like eye into e bia shirt wa palm shirt na pocket ne was say straight no na ya chia no bi na me hu say na say kofo ye into hu design na hu say ade de nka under normal circumstances say chia sa but sa na ye and it looks good into no bibi sa na sprezzatura and na po say wakujna nkofo nim na wo kasa na wa rehearse with speech ni ade any mu highs and lows tell you obey wo ni ade na ujina ho na wo ya obi tie obi feel say we de wa fa ni we twa ni yopo but wo na wonim say ne a utiri ho hyehye wo digina ho ye sprezzatura okay extempore wo de bibi fofraba wo free utima kasa na won hwe bibia so extemporaneous and no wo hwe ye kind of short extempore wo hwe bibia so wo bo utim no akasa bia na wo slides bia de ko presentation na why ye wa hwe man ti no wasua nioma na wo slides no wo begina ho na wa start na wo kan wo hwe bibia so ne extempore no ne different
no kasa why ade say wo say ase me sua de
why ade why it is ade em say tuabom
sister
Etuabo of any trouble, the uncle Tardium ran out home so kakra and nearby a better because white now me one be womb. Answer near be a line summit for but no my bay as I see one said.
So Covana said a tickle the animal.
Baby and said to call me, but so call refreshing. What I say, but so call refreshing. Into Bomodia number words, Nibby, and ye fresh old team because me mouth will make her cry, bebo into the Nabuche. Aye, into the Siciano. Say, I fab and second location, Waterloo, Surreal, elucidate, quasi, emblematic, encapsulate, engender, illegible, watershed, svelte, akimbo, sprezzatura, akaka crane, de cat 1 post can. Ebusia for menko tonwa de mra na se me ba na ni akenya de account na fe ye bie lines no ne me pese me te ni awesua fi ye sha ase nyina be sin de no wetumi abo na this week de ne se ne ye di kai no susceptible na ye coagulate the producer ye and de no who coagulate and ye benison and na ye benign so enti ye try ho aba ye ba ye beto aso Ghana
21st clinic a sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji 21st clinic nkwa wo mu dia bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, one more sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Ye we diani ni we diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedding kesiye. Party kesiye. Se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e twa nani a. Hajia special local foods. E wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. Enye wo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de ye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food upese ofra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and as 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se mede yas toothpaste and the brush and the twimesima minya homka senti na ye bokoyi na me me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na won hwasa mesi ayefita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di twimese enti na wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes
enu krotrodo Yas Herba Yas Whitening any Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste any the brush ebusian chamfa
se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so ababoye
tontonte yanum sane afadwen
ne afadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru
tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
tontina 74 yinso yaye ne se nsuo kokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wo anka fi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
se mennom tontina 74 menya hodi mennom ne dabia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a
woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie gumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi etwedie nkratoi atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya hon wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda, a Yadrada Kusi, a Fiada Anopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopano Sia. Fawudani na Sheradens, na Erade Beye.
see me na Friday o. E freestyle Friday nti jemu. Hey! Aha, asem na no aka no say asebia obetimi asebia no jemu. Jamadi we know. Say live. Say recorded. Super. But what die was a nigum. Meanwhile, words na yebeto aso. Say they now for Jerry. Che say oh we see no. You was the words that send me. Say they all che say oh yo mate. Mpacho wo boa me no ene de wo boa me papa. Enti wadaroma yebeto aso. Emi say spreza tura na de koye na yefiakimbo ne ba spreza tura right ba na de kati one post ashemu dida okay mate enti na yebeba ne telto ne amatie for because nim say we are ready pass on make on words
is matter ne eyi
just one day do that do baby tio ethereal
do so
no, he's in a class of his own. Do they do? He's in on your moon competition.
Me person on try. Do they do papa?
Oh no, I just said back to studio. I just came to check on you. Back to studio. Anyway, ethereal.
Oh, God.
Weird. What's Asha say? Weird this I love him so try some Becca. I say angelic. And I say, Bibia, say, near to make us say, obey the dressing, ethereal. Just say, what shannon shake, to say, shrubofo. Ethereal. In fact, ethereal in itself, now to say, heavenly, ethereal. And only meaning, no. We obey Mellifloss, okay. Who say I ask Melissa? Can I control me? Me feel free. Mellifloss. As if for me, the producer, I'm family number, and now uncle. Into me boy and watch pernicious.
Who can show me? You person me.
Into me, Amenga.
No, let me have something that is cancerous. You know. Yeah. I mean. It has a relation to diabolism, diabolic attitude, diabolic behavior, diabolic initiative, diabolic. You see, you are pushing me.
Mellifloss, and pernicious. You see, bibia, slow but poisonous. Yes, you are right. I think Sanrapo, Yania fooding common on me, raise pernicious gossip.
And Uncle Fred Bones, they must have for papa.
Odi two muka crack fe ne be wiase no na I conscious I say bibia into no pernicious bibia ye dangerous a CP through and kitten no okay enti ya kati one post fastidious so fastidious so into the comment. There's a word so near be correction fastidious but mama was Simon Mellifloss
and I make a journal
pacho wuni ma fato ho wuni ma fato fastidious ya dana yi kra be you see him
so race make to say it related crapo to temperament you could see that thing in them melancholy for well mo person me omo dia prim and proper
from nane unima I didn't know how na person
no so I said that me my relax say casa but I go to say Because a casafu say be a minimum.
Oh, David.
Never be on my Anna.
Ain't he? Prom now, I cannot crash and say, that's it. Ain't he? You fastidious, so be a new marketing prom like, or you're meticulous.
Yes.
Aha, or you're meticulous. Ain't he? No, and only fastidious. But next word, then I uncle. Oh, but next word is oh, listen to me. What?
Me list the move like.
Hey, sir.
Hey. Pakuchi nurse.
Pakuchi, you do.
Yes, yes. Yeah, na me kai.
Pacho, you
remember? I'm also about trap to no kind. Yes, I'm a kai.
Oh, now see what to live in the end. I yet to live already. And a Pakuchi just, I don't me try.
One count.
Any I'm in Troy. Any
one can because you can't cast them way like our beds are extremely beautiful. One
oh, and one can park with children. Say how to describe it, Auntie Abena.
Sir, it's not a one thing. Oh, sister, when you're too
rent to me feet. Or rent to me feet that effulgent, okay.
Low, free.
Okay, I can say, and only one of the words now at the bar beginning, no. Say a state to be a mufili victorious, like you are celebrating something. You are always in that state. Tembia positive energy. Effulgent. Okay, pericope.
Free.
May feel free. Oh, okay, pericope.
So the more you mean here be now the women.
No problem. Oh, okay, and then me who ye. Enti near bane de near kening na na o ha nti be fa ni na pericope ye ka say a part of a whole and no to me standing on its own. So if there's a story it be a one aspect of the story no it to me standing on its own enye ye the Bible mo kra ebe cheche say the entire story of Jesus nenyomo ye no sa story of Sea of Galilee. I am part of a whole, and no one to me age nan a pericope.
Is a issue in my belly floss. Is it just one day or do they do?
A bear just one day.
Just one day. It's related to your voice, some sweet sound,
sa. You're very right. You're very right. You're very right. Yeah, something that sounds incredibly sweet. Mellifloss. Chake ngowa denche. Meba inti ba me hwe ngona akpa dele. Inti yen hwe last 5 words no. And then like I said, we need na a down sano sa. Ibi wa bokra. Oh, my phone is there, Chichi.
Well, I'm sorry, but I'm a shed as a person.
Oh, aye. Me feel free, Matsi. Matsi, me feel free. Why? Hiatus, I think they want to.
Hiatus put in my watch.
Watch me. Watch him coagulate. Watch him. Watch him. Send your bono cry. Susceptible. Your candidate. Your candidate susceptible. Is it prone to? And a benison so your candidate listen and say no this week in and a benign so you can okay all right 18 and they na you be met here for abem but and then we can say oh special to Olivia person the birthday
oh me say asem easy
jegu
etefo so be catch etefo say eja me dey menenam ti Friday do say na me kwati bibia me dey bebre oh anything Minam railway so na chese. Because she akwa bi. Na the way abra na see ni tri ho.
Santo.
Hey. On Santo no energy scams. Hey bra. O say ebi eni abra Ghana o. Bra.
On the Santo ni discuss.
Hey, it's me ba. I'm say bra. Who akukudro. There this can say. Do ni nchen also mitri na quantity ni ya also o de bomb back kwa no mama metengana o de bomb back na mama metengana oh sanity ni ya den nti wo no wo yese wo nya dufudie na be man 10 cedis na wo be pai ni tri one kasa o de bo wi ase don sa abo wo no
Hey, we are say.
Just say.
Na there is no.
Or the railway. So on comfort times are crowd.
Yeah.
Comfort type of. Which alphabet now? Na what bet me? We want to ask can you so bet you raise one sana.
Sir.
Now bet you yes wabo.
I see.
Now more we anyway to another so you.
I was sana the board.
Oh, na see. Bray, oh, I could do.
Eh, na Juma no sa Juma.
When I just for pocket no trim no. So skeki tanes.
Meter.
Or corner shop aba. Eneja. Akoi bre. Say ban sana ese mi jina na msheka. Ah, ni mo se oja fo ba. Oba. No so se ba ko ya yin. Akwa ni ba kakra no le nsa. Afa wewe ni so oba ina na. Menim dia na na o.
Eish.
So sana o sin nsa.
Aish.
No buy. Man tenga ni. Oje tenga na. Oh, now just for you is safe in the bottom.
Kaish.
Now coach is na born it and back up mienu miensa. No dia what's out just with 3 on the born it want to grind on the born up say I just where you see this. So I want to do you one. And we are doing.
I say about here 20 cities.
I say achi. Say no 20 tenga back up no go. Upon party is really 20. Because what is no.
Any me met here for brother 20 cities where they are to be here.
My friend match aboka.
And you is your friend match aboka. 20 cities share safu.
My friend match aboka.
Wait, asem se obi ambe studio have because asem
like
obi hu but
obi you see
we producer I go experience bi ambe share na etefo oh
yeah the assemble
me patch up mu 196064 0260196064 and 0260 1960-65. Mr. Offerphobia, but I'm my father, mommy. Hey, and there is your Uba word Fabra. And I say, okay. Enter, Hey, Yamawa Kaba, but some delight, so.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
In Pomwe.
Hey,
my superstar. Apa.
That's the offer. Hey, Papa, this is where they're 20.
Oh, say 20 cities.
Why did you want?
I did 21. Oh, I see.
You want to know the things that said that best only to me.
Oh, Mate, open all the shot like I'm no. Mate, intimate you.
Okay, that's all. Me wedding, no.
Okay, hey, Ampayamo. Wow, I've been full. Well, BT. Okay.
I had to say, Sompa Rhapsody member, now Sompa Delight in Sompa,
nice.
Sompa for God and country.
Hey, me bon Master, me bon sick.
And about
Stymied. Ah, that's true.
Stymied, sorry.
What's that easy? That's true. I don't say about stymied, stymied.
Something that hinders or blocks someone.
From
doing something.
I had to say last Monday, the race stymied Uncle Fred's attendance at studio. Oh. It's true. Oh, nice. Why are they?
And I discoverable way to confuse somebody.
Mata, you do all.
You do all.
Mata, you do all.
Mata, you clever.
Hey, patch up, Roger. You said, "Mama, check because wait, now what can you me people man fan can you make kind of you do all. This company. Adamfu. Ucha de Adamfu na uche. Oh.
Adamfu safu.
Okay, I'm going to be brave.
Hey, that's it. Oh, you do. That's interesting because, it's okay. Hello. Hey, just one day.
Yes, you need me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Now, Pomoy. Boko. Radical Social.
In fact, and then to Yankopon, Israel, or my young coin said to Gamma and Brasso.
Sa.
Then Yankopon, Lamu baby, and I'm saying, and the Munyami. Because we will baby, but me told me, young dinner, military, Katanga, Kalam, you want me to do Yazana, and then a master program. I've bet me, Manu Bemuno, okay. Abe drew fine.
Yeah, there are.
I mean, Daniel Kupansi. And I mean, I mean, say, the Lord has been so anything for me. It was there. Yakupoya Duma Sunday. Yakupola Fiba could be coming to you.
Yes.
For being a benefit in my life.
Okay, for being a blessing.
And Auntie Abraham also made that say anything for the Munya Mukuga Mamuyano as being a benefit in my life.
Wow.
And the listeners to Yankupon Israel. And where the no
juxtapose. Oh, nice. Ampa.
Yes. Place two or more things together, side by side.
Sure.
Juxtapose. And I mean, what back on here? Ezreal. F-U-R-R-E-A-L.
S-U. Oh, Sorrow. Sorrow. S-U-R-R-E-A-L.
Yes.
Sorrow. Okay. Okay.
Sorrow.
Annie.
It's about like a real life situation.
That's right.
Like a situation that are strange.
That's
like
right.
A dream.
That's right.
We also that hopefully say it's on true, but only now we need to see and then yes
sa.
And the diameter is an anti Meli only an play me and Miss Odae Medical Diamu.
Oh, I see.
And I acquire that's what the word is saying.
Cereal.
Cereal in my life. It means Yanni and I call it dream. It's the Yankupadum. And in fact, most 30 and this week in Yano from Monday to winning our West, no. Now my busy client, Namini around.
Okay.
Now, from the beginning in your West, be a mobile, no.
Yeah.
In fact, it was illegible for me to understand. Because one of the words was congolese. Is it congolese?
Coagulate.
Coagulate. This word is very illegible for me.
Illegible.
So, like, the black congolese to stop wound in bleeding. Like my stew coagulated.
Coagulate.
In all, no. Ninya Kodani water shirt in my life. Yeah, all has been a turning point in my life. And now, one said, that's what meaning there was one.
I was super, and then they were cutting in our Fabra.
But your maybe back one, Mecca is about Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo.
One said,
but just one or there one said, if you are against everybody will against you. If you are against. You are against everybody.
Okay.
Everybody will be against
you. Wow.
Against you.
Wow. Exercise and then not the buy.
but your last Wakanda, but then into Sankai.
Okay.
And a mango day. Mango day. Mango day is there. There's things that attract the spirit. Find out. There are things that attract the spirit. So we should find out.
Wow.
And push it.
Push it.
You go to your fasting and you do your fasting.
Oh, I see.
In fact, Sompa in my life, from Anopa to the last service.
We thank God.
In fact, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Now, many years as Sompa by because 5 months. Many years as Sompa has been a good institution. Ebema wenya osum Sompano. Ebema wenya ketiapa.
Sa pepe.
Abra, Yakupo me pesa ofa konya into na celebrating me. Na mama happy birthday. Because me lo the day dem ye oba o. Because me lo bali celebrate. Me mama me o.
Mate. Meyama once upon. Why? Meyama once upon. Nyami show.
Yakupo chira. We dem me chaso na maya no. Zero copy. Makati the sentence short for to stand alone to make a
that's all they want to be dancing go be so much. Hey, why nina that's all they are nina. Hello. Aish Safe yeah mo akwa. Good afternoon. Me facho pomwe.
Mpacho.
Yeah, there are the
Mpacho me leska kwa me like my topic no.
Okay. And see me church when a freestyle Friday. And where that yeah during the week no person will bow to me abo. So person we yeah if you auntie akosia one set and as a mango day one set. Say last Friday now be to me aye. And now so say wow to libi so person the by nene freestyle Friday fa baby. O buy so be chia so I virgin chia ne so. Na abodi no.
Okay.
Oh. Anyway, and I also went to me a friend now though the about 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65. I think so. Lady Joa, Mamma shut down wish just one day happy birthday in advance. Ain't some party lights, yeah. Okay, my main favorite for me, yeah. Hello. Oh, Monko se, cause I not try. Ain't some party lights crew, yeah, we shit, yeah, one of your favorite colors, no? One of your favorite colors. I mean, I did just one day. Just one day. Happy birthday in advance. 31st May, your birthday. Yeah, we show happy birthday. We're a special one from Sompa Delight crew. You see, a radish on your kese. Happy birthday. Ninche papa. Na koso asum pa na obenya ketua pabia we se wunya was hasiso. Yami unshow. All right. I just one day but when you go Facebook na ko train a day. Hello. Hello. Yama Kwaba. Hello. Oh, I say mental okay. Me patch position. Aha, position here kakama me why. Hello, aha.
I assume.
Kaish. Extended version. But I'm more Kwaba. Me patch on pomwe. Oh, I'm a true for night. Said the ABB or no. Kose. Hello?
Yay.
Yes, madam. Oh, sweetheart, yeah, show so do, yeah, Joe so. Now, baby, I will be a hundred, dear.
I'll be a
area bank, catch me.
You are Barimala.
Hey, any about with friendly na some delights for your chamo. Your chamo, and you enjoy your Friday and the weekend. Yamisha, Koswati Sompa FM. All right. Hello. Hello. Kaish. Aha. Waba. I feel the way you know so sharp. Yeah, ma waba. Aye, ma waba. Antina. Ah, wait a minute.
It's a runaway boy.
Do it, no watch it, no. Hey, move a good.
Oh, yeah, I beg in the position of the Ama, and just one day.
Just one day.
Yeah, the class perfect labor, just one day.
Do that, do a grandpa. Into the class perfect farmer just one day, not just one day on your Juban. Why?
Because Michelle, just one day to night when she just want to Uber, or there's a sound running through the ACT. Just one day.
Aye.
Hey, we might not be able to.
Aye, in advance.
23rd, I'm assuming media.
Oh, wow. Yamisha, Papa. All right.
I'm serious.
Yes, darling.
No. But what's the also? It's a promotion, so also.
I hope that I'm wanting to go. Yeah. Cause I want to go. Oh, Antina, cause. And try her so Benjamin say I'm much of no person or you, eh? And then I wait to me about declare class prefect idea. And in what? No when you come. Nia will be to me about Bia, Nia will you say, Bebo be unpatched, no way you say, what boy, no, and I say, where you say no, and yet necessarily say, was so wooing na. Oh, say, Nia Jerry, you know, or Tihono, Nia on Pesa, Becca, I don't know what to mammy, or catch him tell me feel free, but also I feel free, right? Feel free, now, Bonnie, I'll pay, feel free, now, Bonnie, I'll pay a freestyle Friday. Na many auntie na ya adwene say just one day in class prefect no ai na say that make can do no he's a class on or he's in a class of his own oni obi anye you no nko any class or your grandpapa or your grandpapa is here because in the position amano 80 but Madiana also fresh through 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65 na beka wode antina me ya pass online na kopas me sure say obesan ya try view eish atama me ne ode ntafo nhira ba ye je na me sure wate yo atama me kasa be nko
last week and the week yeah and one said and job now one said no you know and I do not na matriculate no money now my could I was sitting for Monday no and two months and then I appreciate them oh yeah money me some
oh wow why are there yesre erade ayaresa ensane say entina wofia febo na nkora no omunya hodin ai omunya hodin bibia wode mu bia enye dro enye nhira enya hodin emo why yare empire
Sompa fonina akosia obajua ohine yere apam obiane wo
Obia Jo so atama me nyame hwa no nka ho ye da sepa se wa frɛ nyame hwa
ne de mini mood mi nya hwe nyame ya do ma next week week na
na wa frɛ yate so wenya ho de
do de to kai say no
and they do wa ma so wenya ho de ya frɛ de ene de hira bebre na ebre wate edi hira bebre de ni de na ebre wedi ekwan bebre na bebia ma wo wate ai rade be sane na basansa no ewo wo so bebre ni nkora no yeah that's it hey atama me why ade hello
Good afternoon. Mother.
Yes, Papa.
Good
afternoon. Me mo akwa baba Sompa delight so.
Sompa delight.
Ice.
Okay. Oh, I just say I will me no.
Amen.
That's all I just say. The real question, son of that say I will fear.
Son of it, I am a natural. In fact, I am no Muslim was Syria, baby. If you are very na bet na ha kwakada. Say me was Syria different. But I never buy a bus. I keke o. A bus.
Every sentence be a very just a ultra famous. Hey, and then Yami was special.
I am no. Eh, asabo. Omuye and essay of a jerry the man mystery baby sano. Words are young cano, nafe, or so innocent. Words are young cano, nafe, or they shamin to na mystery.
The natural and the one got out
it's true. And a man too, do you know? Hey, man too, do you know? Nyamia kwa. Oh, good to hear from you. Kaish.
Bye.
Yeah, that's it. Bye. And of a Jerry today. Oh, now I am a mystery nebebre. Would you say sit here? No, yeah, this is special. And now I am a mystery baby. Afe, Nyamia Kwaka was saying, why you are innocent. Do you innocent, babe? And you know, yeah.
Nasa me nyashi.
Obey why she.
I don't know my.
Na as you want me panier 7 today. So who want me panier?
Nasa me nyashi. Na me nim kra de okay meti nyai.
It's show any musa. Innocent. Unya hwe Freestyle Friday, it's been great. So I just love the way just one day. To me the West ne form sentences. Now my West ne ho chire omo.
Obu no dey aso na dey mu ya den kra be fe.
Now West ne ho chire omo. Hey. Okay, papa. Annie. Okay. Idea of what it means. That's true, and it's good. Because who use so they be saying you can enrich your vocabulary. Can we give a to say na ye? She said Martha Becca na ye nka na. Oh, that was amazing. Anyway, and I maintain my abna me namesake. Obey a sentence. Obey for a sentence is
no ati word you guys are better o
dream and you know see jamani benessons na e na e kodu fie din no jamani benessons e ro ano no a
na nkora na pon ze kwa ma pompom
enti no o de be shio mo. Oh, but it's been great. Enti only so far and the 2 months of Sompa Delight. God has been good, and we are excited the way it's here for so Ajiatumu, and then I mean it's helping. In fact, every program on Sompa FM, every one of them, and I'm so excited I came here. I mean a good choice. I'm so excited. And see there see because so na yesi amount for crani omuni pedua any bibia. I want to some party lights very soon here the fashion tips beba. Wow, we need to producer. Fashion tips beba any idea. In fact, before I think there was this afternoon that off air ne discuss say celebrities are omu ye nyuma ne ade ye be hwe na ye da omu edi ne ade because we social entertainment you ye ka entertainment ne ye ka lifestyle ne ade bibia wo betumi sua bibia free mu aha no ehu se abrabo ne de enye me say na mete de amepe na me debi ne papa no na where you know where the
it is the
only
the key word here is only. In fact, it is in caps.
Oh, sir.
In fact, it is underlined.
In
fact, it has been highlighted. It is
italicized.
Italicized.
So italicized. They are slanting or no?
It is kind of italicized.
Oh.
So it is the only social entertainment.
Nyamia kwasi misredu and this is me javin review.
Me innocent.
Miss review of the crowd and this Navarro.
Into the Sompa FM. Accra. Our focus is impact. What you say must make a positive impact.
That's right.
What people hear from us, the songs they will hear, the talks they will hear, it must make impact uncompromisingly. The impact, we don't compromise the moments. From clean to crank, from a friend is saying, first service, a copy last service.
Yeah.
Tell me the program Enfa impact.
That's right. Back to back.
Anopa, we have a particular impact you are making on you. Area, midday, we have a particular impact.
That's right.
Late afternoon, we have a particular impact. Then in the evening,
that's right,
we have a particular impact.
Right.
In the night, same. Midnight.
That crown when it's here. Utie Sompa we who say inshira
ntimi person me dina sa kwan so ana enam sa kwan so e sha say enda etie for us na fi every listener utie for na mo wa utie bia hu say you are just blessed.
That's right
to tune in into Sompa FM.
Oh, preaching, and I was ready. Since I had a make for Miss
Innocent.
Miss River.
Oh, the truth be told. Truth be told, sorry. Sir, you betna ha. News for betna ha. Professor Bochimu betna ha. First service, second service, Rhapsody. The Akika una betna ha. Na say, you beka say we. Ne making impact.
Yeah.
And you got that crank as well. You didn't say Sompa.
Yeah.
We will never, Sompa FM will never do a disservice to any listener.
That's right.
We will never do a disservice to the country. Yeah, it's here for bonnet. Da. Edino. Any of them.
Essay.
Yeah, baby, I do it here for first.
Sa.
Sompa Rhapsody share. It's a cry deba.
Hey, serious?
Yeah, and it's some bad light. You do we are saying. When I saw real said day.
Obesere.
Oba ebe tuako.
Obesere.
Ebe tuako. What's the answer? See, and I be tuako.
Sa.
Nyamesem ye de be ma. Asesem ye de be ma. Sese osua de ye de be ma. Ye sese wote. Information be sese wote anka wote benti no. Higher no sabe.
Sa. Hey, me jawa be preach.
Oh yes.
Anyway.
So, Adia no say if you are passionate about something, be making impact. Me, I love to see impact.
Yeah.
I love to hear impact. Hey, and then no be me a presentation be baby. Uncle be a program no me write a presentation be on this social impact here.
Okay.
And I've done it for 12 years. No be na ban is na here for 12 years. Gentlemen be or say no. Let me ask you this question. So what is really because
then I motivate you.
So when I see results, I get motivated.
Oh, okay.
The moment I see results, I am eager
to do
see the next
one.
To see another results.
Nyame sure kwan ebeko so
the impact we are making on our listeners. So that is what is making us serve them
well anyway. Enti mama fankai boy emremu se wa onim Dickness Jenkwe wa wu nipa
international woman
Otonyom na
omo there are few people omo to say wo I say oh they are in pankasa enti na no sacred for ba me say that etwi me ko yo pot for sana be ya wa say na
obe uni pot yo asawo
Dickness Jenkwe so maybe I will see her at the
back so
but she's making and when she's singing
heavy load
yes when she is singing otonyum o say be tunyum na be tunyum
yeah otonyum emu ye thick
otonyum obi a be say
oto sa chro
etwe no now to say that person no
make it
just draw you closer like
that. Yeah, it's true. And in the program no basso Sunday we are 31st May and 4 p.m. sharp or say the Church of Pentecost JW Saki Memorial Temple Community 1 Tema Mr. Hona all year need program no covered experience 2026 theme near goodness and faithfulness of God no Psalm 100 verse 5 so now I program me enkofo by ye papa elder mreku I wo Facebook Mr. Okona koshe ye papa elder mreku jakalolo me kekeli dako ena ya ma me Merigansa
ena
Christian Atefwa I was trying to get the name on Christian Atefwa no so say one great lady or your poetry ni ye different
my life
or your
poetry
you are
amazing and a friend Eda Patrick Amako.
You.
Pensa.
Oh, I see. That's how they would do ma.
Yeah. Into no na hand over my no prayer secretary.
Oh, I see.
Eda pa. Into me no papa.
Into your sermon Sunday 4 p.m. Ewo JW Saki Memorial Temple Community 1 Church of Pentecost. Yes, sermon. Yenko experience Jane Kwe. Na make Jane Kwe. Oni elder ne nampa nyumni bebe elder to no Jane children. Into yenko experience but send you kind of no backstage, you know. And now support it yenko and then me one another in Kaibobi so yeah mama mo Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Omo be release omo nyumbi. Enti yen watch out for it. Omo say women unso munyu wonyu women mami wu but I think it's a way very different. Enti omo feature one Sandra Boachi Gia.
Oh, I know Sandra Boachi Gia.
Oh, on so Pentecost. I see. And then mu JJ, I see.
Very anointed.
And yes, Sandra Freddy.
That would be
yes, Sandra different. Only a different person. Okay. And in way bound the 5th of June. Best abo who there rubium na ya bonko ya gusu bonko any time na sa nisa. Enti for your mamu great weekend at your end of month.
Daughters, yeah, mommy, daughters.
Ebeba so de nyabuche. Omo no we are willing to do. But just that back-to-back programs, we'll see how we fit every.
My back.
Anyhow, I was here for anti ya cramo. I now watching in name Sompa delights. Money ye ashia boom ye niso. Anti a tear for Yamin Shamo papa. Ye damu yinasi. Ye damu. Oh, okay. Auntie Abena send me a message. Abena why him me name message in the measure what measure yes so I send a message into measure nyame onhira obebre no onhira tie for susu nyina obi afraid bia ye damase na elder one ediasem
ene some
time no na aso no ebusiafo yes kwan ne samfa so yes sorry Sompa for God and country tie nenye munhira ate medam team ni nyina se Lady Joanne St Augustine Auntie Ajua Patrick enewa mahakra na say obibia ena rich bit mice we show great marriage ceremony tomorrow. Team obia best support ate nyame sure no nye okese medam ase Auntie Akosia you know we love you. Mwah.